Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to add HST to your QuickBooks Invoices, a simple step-by-step guide for 2025 to keep your taxes accurate. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and open the Sales tab on the left. Click Invoices, then select Create Invoice. At the bottom of the invoice form, make sure Sales Tax is turned on. If you haven't set up HST yet, click Setup Tax and choose your province under Canada Sales Tax. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the correct HST rate for that region. Now, when creating an invoice, select HST from the tax drop-down beside each line item. Review the total. It should now include the HST amount. Once everything looks right, click Save and Send or Save and Close. And that's it. Your QuickBooks invoices now include HST correctly for 2025, keeping your records clean and compliant.